Hello, Wouter. Great meeting you here live in Brussels after these challenging times. Over the past 10 months, you have established and gone live with a technical platform, the TX platform of Etex Industry to support our customers. Maybe you can tell us more about it.
Hi Ilja, yeah, it's great to see you again live again. So it's a long time. Indeed, we recently went live with our technical support platform. So we created a platform with 15 highly skilled technical engineers. They're working together in 3 subgroups. The first group is about fire safety, the second about high temperature insulation, and the third group is after acoustical and transportation solutions. So they're working together, and we're working together also with your team, with product management, but also with customer service and with sales, really to start delivering a better customer experience for the clients. We are set up in such a way that we can really easily link the right expert with the right clients based on the needs. And what we are doing is, for example, if we look at OEM clients, the support what we deliver for OEM is, we help them defining the right product. So what do they need from our portfolio? Next to that one, we also help them engineering the solution, their end products, before they can go to the market. And we know that a lot of other companies are doing the same. But we have one additional feature. It's what we can do is that we, after designing, we can also help the client simulating what is the performance. We do that for acoustics. We can do it for thermal insulation. We can also do it for thermal insulation during fire. And the last feature what we can do, and that's really special, is we can use our in-house facilities for testing. So we have a full-scale fire test, a lab, an acoustical lab, and a mechanical lab. So before the client can go to the market, we can really do a test to see the performance. And this is really bringing a lot of added value to the clients. We're reducing their engineering time, their R&D times, but also gives us a lot of insight in their challenges and needs for the future.
Yeah, and this is exactly what we at Product Management need. With your team, we are literally in the kitchen of the customer. We understand what they need. We understand the technical and commercial requirements. And we also understand the shortcomings of their solution, of our solution, what's going on in the market. And this is a valuable insight for us in product management to initiate new product development, to initiate new partnerships with customers or with suppliers to design a solution that delivers an added value to our customers and their customers again. And I believe that this unique possibility that we have working with an own R&D facility where we can fire test, simulate, acoustic tests, is something that brings added value and assets to the customers. This allows us to initiate co-development projects with certain customers where we start from the scratch to design a solution that in the end, after 2, 3, 4 years and all the necessary certifications, can be successful in the market together with our products and our customer solutions.
The technical support platform is eager to work on these developments with clients. We are eager to work to the development for clients, but also really crucial together with the clients, because our portfolio of clients is really wide. Their needs are totally different, and we really need to look into their own insights to deliver their specific solution. And it also requires once in a while that we need to re-evaluate our product portfolio and sometimes introduce new products. Having a fast reply to inquiries of clients, but also really important, the transparent communication towards the clients is really important to deliver the best customer experience as possible. Yeah, and the new technical platform is built and designed to really start delivering this.
Yeah, and from the discussions that we had with the customers via Teams, via telephone, it indicates that customers are appreciating the service that is being provided to them. They notice that there is more and faster replies to their inquiries, to their problems, to their challenges that is being provided by your team. And I am very certain that your team is an asset to the Etex Industry organization, and I'm really happy working with you and your team.
Yeah, the same for me. I'm really looking forward to work with you, and thanks for your time. And I'm really looking to work on the next development or innovation project together with you and your team.
It's nice meeting you in person.